Terima kasih.
Hi, I'm Frank from the University of the Philippines. Well, back home in the Philippines. So they asked me to talk a little bit something about my experience here, and so far I'm learning a lot. Actually, this is something that I wasn't expecting to happen, but yet here we are in this very nice environment. I'm also learning, to eat different food, and it's something that I don't normally do when I go in different places, but I am very much enjoying the experience. It's cold here, just like back home. We have some mountains also, and the place is very warm. The people are actually very warm. Each time we go to Indonesia, in general, the locals are also always very warm. So it kind of feel like second home to us, and we're very happy to be here.
Hi guys, we from China, Nanjing, and we learn from Nanjing. We learn environmental design, and we have been there 2 days. We think the environment here is very comfortable, and the people here are all friendly. We like this food very much. I think it's very nice and healthy. 谢谢大家。
So, hello everyone. My name is Linh Hoc An. I'm from Vietnam, from Pengenalan University, and today I'm in Batu city. So this is a very great city for tourism with great food and great weather. So we are at Watu Gedek, and we are trying local food, and it's really good. And I really recommend everyone to come here for a good vacation. Xin chào mọi người hãy đến thành phố Batu của Indo để trải nghiệm du lịch. Cảm ơn.
Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Tias Nastiti. Saya kebetulan dari Universitas Internasional Indonesia. Jadi sudah 2 hari ikutan kegiatan ini, seru banget dan benar-benar menurut saya refreshing ya. Jadi nggak hanya sekedar belajar, tapi juga ada refreshingnya. Kayak hari ini kita datang ke satu destinasi di daerah Batu ya. Dan ini juga baru pertama kali saya datang ke sini. Ternyata ada tempat kayak gini yang seru banget, menyatukan antara wisata alam sama edukasi juga. Dan ternyata untuk dosen seperti saya tuh jadi inspirasi nih untuk ngembangin penelitian ataupun pengabdian masyarakat. Sukses terus buat UNITRI.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, Watu Gedek ya. Masya Allah, ini adalah pengalaman saya pertama kali mengikuti di program pengabdian masyarakat ya. Pengalaman saya di hari pertama mengikuti simposium di Balai Kota Among Batu, mengikuti seminar simposium UKLA ya. Alhamdulillah sangat luar biasa. Pesertanya banyak dari luar ya. Nah di situ temanya sangat nggak bisa disampaikan lah, pokoknya sangat luar biasa. Kemudian di hari yang kedua ini kita diajak di Watu Gedek ya. Di sini kita juga bisa menikmati alam di Watu Gedek yang ada UMKM-nya juga. Dan ini saya borong dari hasil UMKM di Watu Gedek. Jadi sangat luar biasa lah.
Hi, my name is Eun-hye Jung from South Korea. I was a congresswoman in South Korea and also the vice president of the AAC. This is the first time to visit Indonesia, Batu, so I'm very love it because I can taste the delicious food here and also very nice, beautiful weather. So I'm very happy to be here and thanks for welcoming me. Thank you.
And nice to meet you. My name is Chun Hyun-ji and I'm professor of Nanjing University Aeronautics and Astronautics. Also, I'm president of the Asian Cultural Landscape Association. I'm just come to the Malang and Batu. I'm really happy to meet you guys. So Batu is very beautiful area and very good environment and it's a good impression. So maybe in the future there are many. It's a good place to be the tourism area. So also I just joined this symposium and then this symposium is a very good symposium. So I want this we can have some next time also with Batu city and there is a very good chance to many foreigners to visit Batu. Thank you so much.
I want to thank you for the invitation and this is a really beautiful naturally preserved area here. I see this area has a lot of mountains and you developed the mountain using the air is nice, the scenery is good, people are very kind, so really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Really thank you for preparing really good symposium at this place. I'm a Kwak Min-ju and also project manager at this International Cultural Foundation. So I'm really impressed. It's good. So because in good hotel and really good people and gathering good people and also in good symposium. So actually I've never been in Batu city. So you really good weather and so many people. So I really touching my heart. So I wanna come to in every year come to in Batu city and Malang city. So thank you for gathering in here. So and see you next year. So thank you. Terima kasih.